Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and we talked yesterday. As long as the bears do not convert things like the 9-day, weekly pivot, things of this nature, they're going to continue to grind this market up to new all-time highs. They will take it to new all-time highs on a daily basis. You can fight it or you can make money. It's your choice. It's entirely up to you. But they take it up yesterday. 43.7925 is the all-time high of the moment. We're trading 77 right now. I would expect them to get through 80 to 83 this morning. 4,400 is wide open. It really wouldn't even take a touch of the upper band. The upper band comes in right now in the daily at about 44.06. It would take a 44.08 to 44.10 move to touch that band and get any kind of an upper band right started. But for now, the theme is if the bears are not going to be present, then you can be long or you can be out of the market. But you can't fight price here. You can't fight price. You are pulling against something that does not want to budge. And you are going to do, at best, death by 1,000 paper cuts. And at worst, you're going to get into something, you're going to plant your flag and say, well, this is the high. I don't know why. Maybe you read Barron's on Sunday or something, or stayed at a Holiday Inn Express. But then you add to that trade and add and add and add and add. And then what was a simple day trade has turned into an account-destroying monster because the market just won't come in. And when it finally does come in, you'll still end up taking a loss. So you'll take something off, where you'll just barely break even because you just want it to be over. Then the market will come in and you'll fight that. So don't get in that pattern of fighting price. Don't fight price. All right, hourly chart. And you can see we're pretty well consolidated overnight. Overnight hasn't done much at all. So we'll get some kind of a move this morning. You see the weekly pivot down there, 35. The 9 days just above it at 38. It really, in the regular session yesterday, here's your 9 o'clock print into 10. They hopped it, grinded a little bit of a lift higher. For us in the room, it was pretty simple. We put a long on off the open in the morning. It converted our upper level, and it retested that upper level, and we did what's called a bias retest trade. So we were really in two trades all day, just, basically holding long runners and which is a very easy way for me to spend a day when I'm not around as often as I would be if I was in the office. The hourly mid-band is support. It's been supporting price now for about 6 hours. The bulls really need it to do that and continue to do that. You don't want to see the bulls lose daily pivot. If they do, it could come back a little deeper. At that point, I think you've got to be short at least for a trade. If they convert 79, you can see there's plenty built up in the Bollinger Bands here for quite a pop. I would expect that to carry through and print 4,400 as you stretch into the middle part and into the afternoon. So on a 5-minute chart, it's as compacted as you would expect it to be, right? Volume weighted average price 74. Tucked in here, this red line is your hourly mid-band. This blue line on the prior chart. So 74 to 75, got a proprietary moving average here at 76, 5-minute mid. So 74 to 77, doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure that out, is going to be the bull bear zone for this morning. If they're able to stay on there, convert that, lift it up above, up into 80 and beyond, they can take it through. If the bears can hold 74 as resistance, then you can maybe get a move down to the 68, 67 area. But until we're living below 66, so our upper level yesterday from the regular session was 67. Right now we're long 67 quarter. Until that 67 quarter to 66 converts into resistance, you're not going to see any significant push down from there. So watch 74 to 77 off the open. All right, that's all I got. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.